When you want to know what journal subscriptions the library has in a particular subject area, or if you need to know whether or not we have a subscription to one journal in particular, you'll want to use our Publication Finder tool. Click on the Browse Journal Titles tab on the library's website. And if you know the title of the journal or the magazine or the newspaper that you are looking for, you can use the search bar here. For instance, if I am trying to locate the journal Ecological Research, I can type that in. Now, we do have a subscription to Ecological Research. If we had not, it just wouldn't show up here, and that's how you would know that we don't have access to it, but we do. And in the full text access area of the listing, there will be a link to the database or the website that provides our access to the publication, along with the date range that we can access. So for Ecological Research, we can access the issues that were published between 1998 and up to 1 year ago from today. Publication Finder also gives you the option to browse by subject. And if I go up here to Browse Subjects and click there, I can choose the broad category and then narrow it down. For instance, if I open up Geography, Anthropology, and Recreation, it tells me that we have 365 listings related to the environmental sciences, and I can browse into that as well. This tool will give you links to some open access ebooks, but we primarily use Publication Finder to browse our journal subscriptions. We can choose those over here on the left under the type of resources that we're looking for. And I can see here that we have 136 journals in this subject, and a little farther up, I could limit it to the journals which are peer-reviewed. It looks like we have 74 of those in this subject area. And the magazine and journal titles will be listed here in alphabetical order. Again, with those full text access links underneath and the date range that is available there. If you have any trouble accessing any of our resources, please let a library staff person know and we'll be happy to help.